Now I want to discuss about the chapter speed, distance and time. Chapter speed, distance and time. What is speed? Speed is the distance covered by a distance covered by a moving object in 1 hour. একটা গতিশীল বস্তুৱে 1 ঘণ্টায় যে দূরত্ব অতিক্রম করিবে তাহাকে গতিবেগ বলে। Speed is defined as the distance covered by a moving object in 1 hour. This is called speed. Speed, distance moving by a distance covered by a moving object in 1 hour. 1 ঘন্টায় কতক্ষণ যাইব ওটা হলো তার স্পিড। To move or less speed, we can determine the object, say like a car moving in 1 hour is called speed. Speed equal to distance divided by time. Distance divided by time, and time is distance divided by speed. বাংলায় হয় গতিবেগ, গতিবেগ হলো দূরত্ব ডিভাইডেড বাই সময়। গতিবেগ হলো স্পিড, দূরত্ব হলো ডিস্টেন্স, সময় হলো টাইম। S equal to distance divided by time in simplest form. সংক্ষেপে এটার আমরা লিখতাম পারি টাইম ইকুয়াল টু সময় ইকুয়াল টু লিখতাম পারি বাংলায় হলো গিয়া দূরত্ব ডিভাইডেড বাই গতিবেগ, অর্থাৎ distance divided by speed. This is how to determine the distance and speed. And distance can be determined distance equal to speed into time. দূরত্ব equal to গতিবেগ into সময়। এই হলো গিয়ে আমার first introduction about the formulae. Different types of, one is determine speed. এক সময় আমরা স্পিড বাড়াবো distance divided by time. One we determine time, distance divided by speed, or determine distance equal to speed into time. Now in question number, in sheet group B, sheeter group B নিয়ে আমি আলোচনা করি। In sheet group B given number 1, in distance equal to 75 kilometer, time equal to 3 hours 45 minutes. Here given hour and minute, so it convert into hour. এটারে আমি hour-ও convert করব নিয়া। hour-ও convert করতে হলে আমরা কইমু 3 whole of 45 divided by 60 hours. 1 minute equal to 1 hours equal to 60 minutes. So we determine 3 whole of 45 divided by 60 hours. When we on lowest form, if we divide this by 15, we get 3. If we divide this by 15, this is 4. So 3 whole of 3 divided by 4 hours equal to, on conversion into perfection, this is a mixed fraction. When we convert it into perfection, that it becomes 3 whole of 12 plus 1, 15 hours. Now speed equal to distance divided by time. What is the distance? Distance is 75 kilometers. Distance is 75 kilometers. What is the time? Time is 15 divided by 4 hours. 15 divided by 4 hours. Speed equal to 75 kilometers. In the denominator, this is a fraction, so it become reciprocal. It उल्टी दिख गया, अर्थात 15 divided by 4 become 4 divided by 15. এটা উল্টি দিক गया 15 divided by 4 अभी हो गया 4 divided by 15 into speed equal to distance divided by time. Distance 75 kilometer, speed into 4 divided by 25. এটা উল্টে গেছে গিয়া 15 divided by 4, এটা হলো গিয়া উল্টে গেছে, রেসিপ্রোকাল হয়ে গেছে, রেসিপ্রোকাল হইয়া 4 উপরে গেছে, নিচে 25 দি, this is 25 দি, this is 3, this is 3, 25, 75 kilometers, this is 15, not 25, 15, 5 are 75, 5 into 4 equal to 20 kilometers per hour. এগুলো গিয়ে আমার স্পিড। ওটা তো হয়েছে গিয়া আমার if time in fraction, if time in fraction, that is 3 hours 45 minutes, hours and minute. To convert into hours, we can write 3 whole of 45 divided by 60 hours. On dividing by 15, we get 3 divided by 15 to 60, we get 4. 3 whole of 3 divided by 4 hours, 15 divided by 4 hours. In this way, we convert hours and minute into hours. যদি আমার থাকে time 5 hours 30 minutes, then we can write 5 whole of 30 divided by 60 hours. 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 whole of 1 by 2 hours, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 hours, 11 divided by 2 hours. এইভাবে আমরা যদি hours and minute থাকে এটারে hours to convert করব. Similarly, if it is 6 hours 30 minutes, to convert into hours, এটারে hours to convert করতাম, we can write 6 whole of 30 divided by 60 hours. If it is 6 hours 15 minutes, they convert into hours, we can write 6 whole of 15 divided by 60 hours. On simplification, 15 1 jar 15, 15 full jar 60, 6 whole of 1 by 4, 25 divided by 4 hours. Similarly, if time is 7 hours 30 minutes, to convert into hours, we can write 7 whole of 30 divided by 60, 0 0 cancel, 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6, 7 whole of 1 by 2 hours equal to 15 divided by 2 hours. In this way we convert hours minute into hours. আমরা এটারে আওয়ার্স এবং মিনিটে আওয়ার্সও কনভার্ট এইভাবে করবো। যদি থাকে 7 hour 15 minutes, you can write 7 whole of 15 divided by 60 hours, 1 jar 15, 15 full jar, 7 whole of 1 by 4 hours, 29 divided by 4 hours. In this way we convert into, in question number 2, distance 90 km, speed 12 km per hour. To determine time, so we know time formula, time equal to distance divided by speed. Time হলো distance divided by speed, and speed হলো distance divided by time. Remember this point, time equal to distance divided by speed, and speed formula হলো distance divided by time. In the first question, we determine speed, but in second question, we determine time. So time equal to distance 90 km and speed 12 km per hour. This cancel, 90 divided by 12 hours. On simplification, if we divide this by 6, then it becomes 2. If we this by 6, then it 15. 690 আর 212, 690, 16, 15 5 jar, 15 6 jar 90, 15 divided by 2 hours. Convert into mixed fraction to the 15. If we divide, then becomes 7 2 jar 14 whole of 1, 7 whole of 1 by 2 hours, 7 hours, 1 by 2 into 60 minute. To the divide only, this is 30, 7 hours 30 minutes. This is the solution of question number 2. In the first question, we determine speed, distance divided by time. In second question, we determine time equal to distance divided by speed. This is the convert 15 divided by 2, convert into hours and minute. How we convert hours and minute? If it is 9 by 2 hours, how to convert hours and minute? 9 by 2 hours equal to 4 whole of 1 by 2 hours. You can write 4 hours 1 by 2 into 60 minute to the divided 30 equal to 4 hours 30 minutes. If time is 9 divided by 4 hours, then on mixed fraction it becomes 12 of 1 by 4 hours. 2 hours 1 by 4 into 60 minutes. On dividing this becomes 15, 2 hours 15 minutes. This is how to determine hours into hours and minute. This is how hours into hours and minutes. And in the first question, we determine hours and minutes into hours. We determine hours and minutes into hours. In the first question, we determine 3 hours 45 minutes into hours. 3 whole of 45 divided by 60 hours. In second question, we determine hours and minutes. In second question, 15 divided by 2 hours equal to 7 whole of 1 by 2 hours. 7 hours 1 by 2 into 60. This is the process. Question number 1 and 2 difference. In question number 1 we determine speed, and question number 2 we determine time. Now in the question number 3 given distance equal to 330 km and time equal to 5 hours 30 minutes. This 5 hours 30 minutes we must convert into hours. So on conversion we can write this is 5 whole of 30 divided by 60 hours. This is converted into hours. 0 0 cancel. 5 whole of 3 divided by 6 hours. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 5 whole of 1 by 2 hours. This is mixed fraction. On convert into improper fraction. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. This is hour, this is time. Now speed equal to distance divided by time. This is the distance and this is the time. So distance is 330 kilometers and time is 11 by 2 hours. (330) into 11 by 2 ulti dibo reciprocal dibo 11 by 2, it become 2 by 11. So this is 2 by 11 kilometer per hour. 11 1s are 11, 11 3s are 30, 0. 30 into 2 kilometers per hour equal to 60 kilometers per hour. This is the solution of question number 3. In question number 3, given distance equal to 330, time 5 hours 30 minutes. 5 hours 30 minutes converted into hours. 5 whole of 30 divided by 60. 0 0 cancel. 5 whole of 3 divided by 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 5 whole of 1 by 2. On conversion of improper fraction, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. This is time. Speed equal to distance divided by time. Distance and this is time. 11 become the reciprocal. 11 into 2 by 11. 11 by 2. 11 by 2 become 2 divided by 11. If fraction in the denominator, যদি ডিনোমিনেটরে ফ্র্যাকশন থাকে এইটা হলো গিয়ে উল্টে যায়, উল্টে এইভাবে গিয়ে আমরা সিম্পলিফিকেশন উই গট 60 কিলোমিটার per hour. Next question number 4. In question number 4, given distance equal to 390 kilometer, speed 120 kilometers per hour, to find time. We know time equal to distance divided by speed. Time equal to distance divided by speed, but speed equal to distance divided by time. Time equal to distance divided by speed, speed equal to distance divided by time. Remember this point. So here distance 690 kilometer, time 120 kilometer per hour. Kilometer cancel. 690 divided by 120 hours. Kilometer cancel. 1 reciprocal 1 by h equal to reciprocal, this become hour. Cancelling 0, 69 divided by 12 hours. If we divide this by 3 and this by 3, this become 4, this become 23. 23 divided by 4 hours equal to 5 whole of 3 divided by 4 hours. Convert into hours and minutes. We can write 5 hours 3 divided by 4 into 60 minutes. 4 15s are 60 equal to 3 hours 45 minutes. This is the time. 3 hours 40 minutes. Distance 690. Speed 120 km. Determine time. Time equal to distance divided by speed, but speed equal to distance divided by time. Time equal to distance 690. This is 690 and speed is 120. Distance divided by speed, kilometer cancel. 690 divided by 120 hours, 0 cancel. 1 dividing both sides by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 23s are 69. 23 divided by 4, 1 mixed section. 8 converted into 5 whole of 3 divided by 4 equal to 5 hours. 3 by 4 into 60. This is converted into minute. When we convert into minute, then multiply by 60. On simplification, 4 1s are 4, 4 15s are 60. 15 into 3 into 15 equal to 3 hours 45 minutes. Question number 4. Given distance equal to 810 km, time 6 hours 45 minutes. 6 hours 45 minutes, we want convert into hours. We get time equal to, on dividing this is by 3, 4 15, 3 this is by 15 into 4. Time equal to 6 whole of 3 divided by 4 hours. Time equal to 6 fours are 24, 27 divided by 4 hours. Now we determine speed. Speed equal to distance divided by time below. 27 divided by 4 hours. This is kilometer. 810 kilometer divided by 27 into 4 hours. This is by 9, this is 3, this is by 9, 9 dozen is 80, 90 into 4 divided by 3 kilometer per hour. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 90, 30 into 4 kilometer per hour equal to 120 kilometer per hour. This is the solution of question number 5. Question number 6. Time 630 km, speed 120 km per hour. To determine the time equal to distance divided by speed. Distance 930 km, speed 120 km per hour. Kilometer cancel. 930 divided by 120 hours. Now cancelling 0, 93 divided by 12 hours. On simplification, this is divided by 3, 4. This is on divided by 3 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3. 31 divided by 4 hours. Now it converts into hours and minutes. It converts into mixed fraction. 7 whole of 3 divided by 4 hours. 7 hours. 3 divided by 4 into 60 minutes. For this is 15. 7 hours. 3 15s are 45 minutes. 7 hours 45 minutes. This is solution of question number 6. Next, from 7, I will discuss on the second video.